Figma just dropped a game-changing feature which every designer was waiting for. Let's get started. The feature which Figma has added is the aspect ratio lock or aspect lock ratio. Previously in Figma, while adjusting the width, it didn't affect the height, or adjusting the height, it didn't affect the width. Now when resizing a frame or shape, you can lock the aspect ratio with just one click. Click on that icon you can see here. So just click on it. It will lock the width and height. Now you can transform from any point of the shape or image. It will transform equally. No more holding shift, just enable the lock and your design stays perfect proportional. So here I have an example. It will help a lot in auto layouts. Here we have a card with auto layout. When you transform, the image will be working responsively. Have you tried this feature yet? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.